Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to use Asana, not just for work, but to organize your entire life? In this video, I'll show you how to set it up for popular systems like GTD, time blocking, and Parallel on the free plan. First, for GTD getting things done, create a project called Inbox. Dump every task and idea here, and create other projects like Next Actions, Waiting For, and Someday Maybe. Process your inbox by moving tasks to these lists to clarify and organize. For time blocking, use Asana's timeline view. Create tasks for your focused work blocks, meetings, and personal time. Drag and drop them on the timeline to schedule your day visually. Set due dates for each block to get reminders. For the para method, create 4 main projects. Projects' active goals, areas responsibilities like health or finances, resources reference materials, and archives completed stuff. Keep your entire life organized in these 4 buckets. Use sections within each project for subcategories. Tags for context like at home or at 5 minutes. The free plan gives you all the views and features you need to make this work, and that's you've just built a powerful, personalized productivity dashboard in Asana. If you set up one of these systems, let me know which one in the comments.
See you in the next one.